Procedure for static balancing of AM12 pantograph. This is the test bench. Overall pantograph placed on test bench. The parts of pantograph are middle articulation assembly and its shunts, and upper articulation L1 L2 tube, push rod, lower articulation, study tube, yoke assembly, pedestal brackets, main springs and spring catchers, panto pan, and mounting brackets of L1 L2 tubes, cylinder support and plunger boxes. Before starting the static balancing, we have to know that the positions of yoke assembly 50, 100, 150 and 175. And also pantograph static balancing process starts with 7 kg weight. So we need to raise the pantograph at different positions like 50, 100, 150, 175 and finally 200. So first of all we raise the panto up to 50, then we'll cross check that positions of 50, 100, 150 and 175, like 50, 100, 150, 175 is completely seated, means there is no gap. Again we raise the panto at 100 position, then 50 at 50th position has a gap, and the remaining positions like 100, 150, 175 completely seated or no gap we observe. Further again we rise to 150. Here 50 and 100 has a gap, and remaining two positions like 100 and 175 is completely seated or no gap. Now we raise it to 175, then 50, 100 and 150 has a gap, and 175, 150 has a gap, and 175 is seated position or no gap. And finally raise it to 200. Now the positions of a yoke assembly like 50, 100, 150 and 175 all are having gap. So and finally after completion of balancing, you have to ensure that spring locking and also middle articulation assembly lock plate and its shunts. Again we will conduct that same procedure in reverse manner, like 200, 150, 175, 150, 100 and 50. This is the procedure for static balancing of